Skincare lovers, are you ready to unlock the secrets to radiant, glowing skin? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you some incredible skincare finds that I've discovered on Amazon. Whether you're a skincare pro or just starting out, these products are perfect for everyone. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the best skincare goodies that will make your skin look and feel amazing. All products links will be found in the description and comments. You can buy from there. Let's go. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with the Color You Electric Body Brush. This innovative tool is a game changer for your skincare routine, offering a spa-like experience right in the comfort of your own home. With 4 different brush heads catering to various needs, including silicone massage, soft bristle, pumice, and loofah, this electric bath brush has got you covered from head to toe. It's perfect for exfoliating, cleansing, and massaging, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Plus, with 2 spinning speeds and an ergonomically lengthened handle, it's easy to use and reach those hard-to-reach places. This waterproof design and rechargeable battery make it convenient and safe to use in the shower. Say hello to silky, smooth skin and goodbye to dullness with the Color You Electric Body Brush. It's the ultimate skincare companion for both men and women, young and old alike. Treat yourself or someone you love to the gift of glowing, healthy skin today. Next, introducing the UJFQBH 3 Pieces African Bath Sponge, the ultimate solution for your daily shower routine. Made from 100% African net sponge, these vibrant sponges come in pink, yellow, and purple, offering variety and fun. With their excellent rebound and stretch, these sponges reach every part of your body, ensuring a thorough and invigorating cleanse. Crafted from high-quality nylon material, they are durable, reliable, and machine-friendly, providing a long-lasting bathing experience. The rough yet gentle texture of these sponges makes them perfect for exfoliating, removing dead skin cells, dirt, and oil, leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. Plus, with our commitment to customer satisfaction, we offer a 90-day unconditional return and exchange policy, ensuring your peace of mind. Upgrade your shower experience with the UJFQBH African Bath Sponge today. Are you looking for an easy and safe way to get rid of unwanted hair? Meet the OLOV Bikini Trimmer. Women, it's like a grooming superhero for your body. You can use it to trim, shave, or groom any part of your body, like your legs, armpits, or bikini area. It's super gentle because it has ceramic blades that won't irritate your skin. Plus, you can use it in the shower or out. It's totally waterproof. And when it needs a recharge, just pop it on the USB dock. With the OLOV Bikini Trimmer Women, you'll have smooth, hair-free skin in no time. Meet the BAIMEI Jade Roller and Gua Sha, your new go-to tools for a fresh, glowing face. Made from natural stone, they're smooth and cool, perfect for energizing your skin. Use the roller to ease tension and reduce puffiness, while the Gua Sha helps lift and sculpt your jawline. Pop them in the fridge for an extra refreshing boost in the morning. They're easy to use and make a lovely gift for anyone who deserves a little self-care. Get ready to glow with the BAIMEI Jade Roller and Gua Sha set. Introducing Bio Oil Skincare Body Oil, a special oil to help make scars and stretch marks look better. It's recommended by skin doctors and proven to work. With natural stuff like vitamin E, chamomile, and lavender oil, it keeps your skin healthy and calm. It's not greasy and won't clog pores, so your skin stays hydrated without feeling heavy. Plus, it's nice to the planet and animals. It's vegan, doesn't have bad stuff like parabens, and isn't tested on animals. It works for all skin types, colors, and textures, and you can use it on your face and body without worry. So get Bio Oil Skincare, body oil, and say hello to smoother, happier skin. Get ready for a skincare game changer. The NuDerma Portable Handheld Skin Therapy Wand Machine by Pure Daily Care. This little device has won the prestigious Cosmopolitan 2023 Holy Grail Award for its magic in fighting aging. It boosts cell activity with adenosine triphosphate, ATP, tackling wrinkles, sagging, and age spots. With 4 anti-aging neon applicators, it leaves your skin smoother and brighter. Plus, it helps your skin soak up your favorite skincare products better. Say hello to youthful skin with NuDerma. Get ready for glowing, smooth skin with Tree Hut Vitamin C Shea Sugar Scrub. This scrub helps remove dry, dull skin, leaving you with a radiant complexion. It's packed with vitamin C and shea butter to deeply hydrate your skin and bring back its natural glow. Perfect for all skin types, including dry skin. This scrub is gentle gentle and safe to use. Plus, it's vegan and free from harsh chemicals like parabens and sulfates. Enjoy its refreshing scent of citrus and floral notes as you pamper your skin. Treat yourself to the rejuvenating benefits of Tree Hut Vitamin C Shea Sugar Scrub for soft, beautiful skin every day. Also, the products that I have told you are very useful for your skin. All the product links will be found in comments and description. You can buy from there. Have a good day. Stay safe.
Uh-huh.